Good morning. Pupuntahan ko yung nag-iisang haunted house dito pero high-tech to. High-tech. The House of Kaka Kiko Rojas. Norman Rojas. Knock knock. Is there anybody home? Tignan natin ang kanyang hydraulic window. Knock knock.
Yes.
Hello, good morning daw. Yan ang hydraulic window. Yan, ang may-ari yan si Kaka Kiko Norman. Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
Okay. How is your sleep last night? Wala bang bangungot?
Not too well.
Bakit may bangungot?
No.
Oh,
I
no.
sleep 9 hours.
Oh my goodness.
Over.
Overhang.
Over one.
Ay, baka hindi ka nag-pray. Dapat nagpe-pray ka.
I prayed 10 times.
10 times? Sobra naman. Ayaw ni Lord ng ganon. Ayaw ni Lord ng ganon.
Over-pray.
Okay.
Over-sleep, over-pray.
Oo, basta over.
Over-nubo nila, over-pray.
Baka ma-overdose ka naman, ha? Binigyan ka na ng gamot, ha?
Kaya nga, matito ko over.
Yung mga drugs mo dyan, pagkaingatan mo, baka, Okay, have a nice day, brother. Okay.
Have a nice day too, brother.
Okay.